Hey guys, this is Neil back with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. This device just got launched by Samsung India and exclusively on the Amazon. You can buy this device from the 20th of January. And in this video, I'll be talking about this smartphone. But before getting started, if you are new on this channel, consider subscribe because I'm regularly coming with a video like this, a smartphone related video, or the laptop budget video, or smartphone specification, pricing, my opinion really like this. So for that, consider subscribe guys. So let's talk about this smartphone. So in this smartphone, you are getting 6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED 18.5 ratio 9 display, which is again a great thing. Let's talk about the processors. In the processor section, we're getting Samsung own Exynos 7885 processor, which has the base clock of 2.2 GHz. So which is again a good thing, not a great thing. Let's talk about the RAM section. So in the RAM section, we're getting 6 GB of RAM, again a plus point for the Samsung device. And in the internal storage, you are getting 64 GB and you can expand it up to 256 GB by adding micro SD card. So again a good thing. Let's talk about the camera section. So in this smartphone, you are getting 16 megapixel rear facing camera with the aperture of f/1.7, so as same as the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Note 8. So again a plus point for the rear side, but only downside is that there is no dual camera setup, so there is no portrait mode at the rear side, but Samsung can add that mode in your smartphone via giving you the software update. Let's talk about the front side. So in the front side, we are getting dual camera. One is 16 megapixel and second one is 8 megapixel, and both has the aperture of f/1.9, which is again a great thing for taking a selfie in the low light conditions. Let's talk about the batteries. In the battery section, you are getting 3500 mAh battery, so which is again decent amount of battery. Let's talk about the operating system. In the operating system, we're getting Android 7.1.2 with the Samsung custom skin, which is a downside for device because now Android Oreo is out from a couple of months, like 6 to 8 months, and still Samsung is not providing the Android Oreo. And if we see the price, so Android Oreo is not a good thing. Android Nougat is not a good thing with this device. Let's talk about the special things. So in this smartphone, you're getting USB Type-C, then NFC support is also there. You are also getting the Bixby, then you are also getting the always on displays because of the Super AMOLED screen technology. Then you are getting the Samsung Pay, and lastly you are getting the IP68, which is again a great thing. Let's talk about the price. So this device got a price tag of 32,990 Indian rupees. So let's talk about what is my opinion. So see guys, in this price tag, if you add little bit money in this price, around 2000 Indian rupees, so you are eligible to buy the OnePlus 5T, and which is a way more better device compared to this. So you will say, Neil, in that smartphone we are not getting the Samsung functionality, we are not getting Bixby, we are not getting IP68, we are not getting the other things like what is the Samsung giving us, like the dual camera setup at the front side. So let me tell you guys, so in the OnePlus 5T you are getting Android Oreo first thing. In this device you are not getting, and Samsung is not promising the update, but they will give you. I am assuring you about this thing. And in OnePlus 5T you are also getting the rear dual camera setup, and you are also getting the facial recognition. Then you are getting fingerprint scanner also in this smartphone you are also getting. Then in that smartphone you are getting Oxygen OS, which is a custom based OS, and it is a way more better compared to the Samsung custom skin. And finally, the thing is that you are getting Snapdragon 835 there, which was the flagship grade processor of 2017. So why to waste your money on a Samsung Exynos 7885? I think so you should go with the OnePlus 5T. What do you think about this device? Let me know in the comment section. That's it from me guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you have any type of suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.